Let's be real, you got an old AVI file you needed in MKV or MP4. You search online and find a million ways to do it, but they look the same. Someone says use this command, you'll get the better result, but what is the better? Higher quality, stable frame rate, smaller size, less noise, or maybe it's just need to play without stutter on your old player. All of that can be called better, but your better is not absolute. So let's start with basics. I will create the simplest graph. You will see the things like input, that what you want to use as source, output, what you want to get, and in the middle stream selectors. That's the part that let you say, yes, I want this video from my source and the audio too. Looking at this, you might already think, can I take only video or only audio? And you'll be right. With this flexibility, you are in charge of this conversion, and this is the simplest case. If you leave it like this, you will get the result. Maybe that's enough for you, but for someone who wants exact result, it won't be, for sure. As you can see, we already took control over what data to use, videos, audio, etc. So let's continue this trend and take control over the quality. The main quality ruiner is the bitrate. If you leave the bitrate decision to FFmpeg, it will for sure take the conservative one, and that will ruin the quality. Let's try to preserve the source bitrate. First, let's check what bitrate the source has. Click the Get Media Info button. The video bitrate is about 9 megabits per second and the audio is 200 kilos. Now let's tell FFmpeg to stick to these values. We add the -b flag and the stream selector. For video we connect it to the video stream and set it to 9 megabytes. Then we repeat this for audio, set it to 200 kilobytes. We chain them together and connect the whole chain to output. And that's how we take control over FFmpeg's default behavior. Look at the results. In some places the quality becomes better, almost as good as the source, but never the same and never the higher. A side effect of such bitrate settings might be an increase in the file size, but now you decide what's important, not the tool. The last thing we grab control of is codecs. As you might have seen, the codecs of our result is different. For some players, the codec is crucial, and changing it can make it result completely unplayable on your hardware. But there is a problem that's easy to miss. The container, like MP4, AVI or MXF, doesn't support all codecs. You have to find the combination that works for you. In this example, we will take the most common combination, X264 for video and AAC for audio. These codecs have a lot of options and settings, so to achieve the best result you have to dive into them and tweak a little. But after specifying them all, you can see that produced media contains only streams we specified with the bitrate we want and using the codecs we choose. This is your personal best result. And this whole graph is exactly what a program like FFStudio does under the hood. So next time that someone says FFmpeg is trash, you will know it's not trash, it's just waiting for you to tell him exactly what you want. Stay connected with us on Twitter, support on Patreon, and check out our work on GitHub for updates and community contributions.